In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Adobe Sign. A text box, also called a text field, is the spot where your signer can type information like their name, address, or any custom details you need. I'll walk you through the most common way to add one while sending a document in Adobe Acrobat Sign, and then show you how to add one in Adobe Acrobat using Prepare Form. Let's start with the sending workflow in Adobe Acrobat Sign. Open Adobe Acrobat Sign and choose Send or Request Signatures. Upload your document so it's ready to configure. Be sure to enable Preview and add fields before moving on. This is what opens the editing view so you can place fields. Click Next to open the document editor. On the right, in the Fields panel, select Text Field. Now click and drag the text field onto the document exactly where you want the signer to type. Take a moment to assign the field to the correct recipient or signer. This ensures the right person sees and completes that box during signing. If the space you've chosen is tight, resize the box so it comfortably fits the expected input, like a full name or a multi-line comment. When everything looks good, click Send. The recipient will be able to type directly into that text box as part of their signing experience. If you're preparing a reusable PDF or building a form template, you can add text boxes in Adobe Acrobat using Prepare Form. Open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, then go to Tools and choose Prepare Form. From the toolbar, click Text Field. Click on the page where you want to place the box and adjust its size and properties so it matches your layout and the type of information you expect. When you're finished, save the document. Acrobat also scans your file for empty spaces and may automatically detect likely form locations, which can speed things up. Review any suggested fields and keep the ones that make sense. Text boxes are incredibly versatile. They're perfect for collecting a person's name, address, email, comments, company name, or phone number. Because they allow free text input, they're the most commonly used field in forms and agreements. That's all there is to it. Whether you're sending a one-off document for signature or preparing a polished form, placing a text field is quick and gives your signers a clear place to type exactly what you need.